1, 0.
It was an historic moment for India. An unmanned spacecraft bound for the moon successfully launched in July after a previous attempt was called off due to technical problems. Chandrayaan 2, which means mooncraft in ancient Sanskrit, has spent the last few weeks travelling towards the south of the moon. On Monday, the landing robot Vikram separated from the craft ahead of its planned touchdown. If successful, India will become only the fourth country in the world to have achieved a controlled soft landing. Its previous mission in 2008 ended with the spacecraft probe intentionally crashing into the moon.
Now, the Chandrayaan 2 orbiter is doing very well, and we had 8 scientific instruments in that orbiter, and each instrument is doing exactly whatever we want. And some of the pictures what we got, it was excellent, and it is going to do a greater amount of science. And another important thing is on Chandrayaan 2 orbiter life. Even though we planned for 1 year, in fact, because of a very optimum mission planning, we are able to get the 7.5 years lifetime. So we are going to get science for 7.5 years, not in 1 year. That is one. And 98% of success. And regarding that lander, that is we could not get the communications yet. And why we told that 98% success is that Chandrayaan 2 have 2 objectives.
One plan for the Chandrayaan 2? Any challenge for ISRO?
Now this I'll come to the point. That is in the 2 objectives, the science objective and another is the technology demonstration. Science objectives we met fully. Technology demonstration also we achieved almost near full. That's what we told, the 98% success. And the discussion is going on the future plan, what to do like that. Nothing is finalized.
ISRO's next mission is Gaganyaan Chandrayaan again.
Now the Gaganyaan is having the next highest priority item. That we are going to have that targeting to have that first unmanned mission by this next year end. That we are working on that. This mission control center, Vikram lander descent was as planned, and the normal performance was observed up to an altitude of 2.1 kilometer. Subsequently, the communication from lander to ground station was lost. The data is being analyzed. Repeat, Vikram lander descent was as planned and normal performance was observed up to an altitude of 2.1 kilometer. Subsequently, the communications from the lander to ground station was lost. The data